Good evening, Richmond County, and welcome to your Thursday edition of Live at 5. I'm Russell Parker. Governor Roy Cooper will keep North Carolina in his modified Phase 2 of reopening for another 5 weeks. That could worsen the state's economic problems. According to the Carolina Journal, one of the state's top economists says North Carolina's economy might take 2 to 3 years to recover. Cooper paused the state's reopening at a Wednesday news briefing. Bars and gyms will remain closed. Restaurants, salons, barbershops, and tattoo parlors can operate at 50% capacity. Mass gatherings are capped at 10 people indoors and 25 outdoors. Restaurants and breweries are banned from selling alcohol after 11 p.m. Face coverings are required in public spaces where social distancing isn't possible. Some 40% of businesses targeted with restrictions for health risks won't survive, says North Carolina State University economist Michael Walden, who is also a member of the governor's North Carolina Economic Recovery Group. Walden predicts North Carolina's economy won't recover until 2023, when it will still face a slightly higher unemployment rate. He believes 15 to 25% of all U.S. businesses won't make it through the pandemic and the shutdowns. Cooper said he was concerned about increasing COVID-19 cases. According to the state data on Wednesday, North Carolina had 22,145,000 active confirmed COVID cases, 1,167 hospitalizations, and 2,050 deaths. Patients 75 or older accounted for 57% of deaths from COVID-19, while adults ages 65 to 74 made up 22% of deaths. Since March, 1.2 million people have filed for unemployment and received $6.75 billion in state and federal benefits. North Carolina's seasonally adjusted unemployment rate was 7.6% in June, down from 12.8% in May, but still twice the rate before the pandemic hit. North Carolina was one of 7 states that kept gyms closed. 13 other states also closed bars, while others have levied restrictions on capacity or indoor dining, according to the New York Times tracker. School personnel on Tuesday outlined to the Richmond County Board of Education just what the upcoming school year will look like amidst the COVID-19 pandemic when students return on August 17th. Before faculty and staff can clock in, they'll have to first answer 3 questions based on previous diagnosis of COVID, showing signs of symptoms, or if they've been around anyone who has been infected. Anyone who answers yes will be sent to the nurse and sent home. Everyone will also have their temperature, which must be 100.4 or lower, checked with a thermometer. Stubbs said Richmond County Schools purchased 200 temporal thermometers, and the district was provided with 76 additional thermometers by the state. She added that social distancing will be enforced with reminders on the floors and in the hallways. Lead nurse Leslie Hall said face coverings will be required unless an exemption note is provided by a doctor or a behavioral health professional. The self-contained exceptional children will not need a note, she added. Tune into this month's County Conversations as the Richmond Observer sits down with Richmond County School Superintendent Dr. Jeff Maples to discuss how Richmond County Schools will be handling the reopening of schools. The show will air this Friday at 7 p.m. on richmondobserver.com and on all RO social media platforms. Richmond County Schools will be able to purchase new laptops thanks to a donation from American Woodmark. The cabinet manufacturer presented a check to the district on Thursday for $6,320. According to Director Bob Young, American Woodmark has a foundation which allocates money to each location, which is giving the choice of how to use those funds. A foundation committee composed of hourly and salaried employees determines how the funds are distributed, he added. With the recent donation, Young said the school system should be able to purchase 20 laptops. Last month, their firm donated more than 16,000 masks to the district for students and staff to use as some students returned to the classroom amidst the pandemic. When we return, we've got your Live at 5 weather report. It's coming up after the break, so stay tuned.
Locally owned and operated, One Stop Vape Shop is a place you'll want to check out. Whether you need vape supplies, signs, business cards, decals, or your chakras aligned, we have you covered. Our in-house print shop has quick turnaround time and is open 7 days a week. We offer a wide range of products including stones, herbs, pendants, CBD, kratom, and more. Visit us at 939 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham.
At Richmond County Hospice, we strive to provide high-quality care to our patients and their families. Whether it's the incredible hospitality at the Haven House or from the comfort of your own home, you can count on Hospice to be there for you. We also offer monthly grief support groups, and our chaplain will be there to hold your hand in prayer. Through our amazing staff and our volunteers, Hospice has made difficult times easier for our community. Call the number on your screen if you feel that you or your loved one may benefit from our services. Richmond County Hospice, peace, comfort, dignity.
JC's in Rockingham has you covered for used appliances, parts, trailers, and storage. We have one of the largest selections of reconditioned washers, dryers, and refrigerators in the Sand Hills, and we offer free delivery to residents inside Richmond County. Come check out our variety of trailers for any hauling job and our storage buildings for the things you need out of the weather or house. We also carry parts and accessories for appliances, trailers, truck beds, and can order the things you need. That's JC's on South Hancock Street in Rockingham.
McNair Auto Sales is the place to buy your pre-owned car, truck, or van. To be the best, it takes big selection, friendly staff, and great pricing. We guarantee a no-hassle buying experience, and financing is available right on site. So come see us today. We're located at 1026 East Broad Avenue in Rockingham. And remember, with over 40 years of experience, you know McNair is the name you can trust.
Do you want a healthcare career? Certified medical assistants are multi-skilled healthcare professionals capable of completing administrative and clerical tasks, making them a valuable member of the healthcare team at medical clinics, doctors' offices, and other healthcare facilities. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of medical assistants is projected to grow 23% over the next 8 years, much faster than the national average. At Richmond Community College, our medical assisting students are trained in our cutting-edge Simulation Learning Center, giving them hands-on experience with high-fidelity mannequins that simulate real-life patient interaction. In addition to clinical skills, our students also receive instruction in scheduling appointments, coding, processing insurance accounts, billing, collections, and medical transcription. Complete the medical assisting program in just 2 years and start your lifelong career today. Visit www.richmondcc.edu to learn more about enrolling in the medical assisting program at Richmond Community College or call 910-410-1700.
She gets her soccer skills from her mom, her sense of humor from her dad, and her drugs from her home medicine cabinet. Over half of misused medication comes from family and friends. Talk to your children about the dangers of prescription drug misuse. Secure your medication, take regular inventory to ensure nothing is missing, and properly dispose of expired or unused medication. Be aware. Don't share. Lock your meds.
Your Live at 5 weather report is brought to you by Sunset Slush, Richmond County, located here in downtown Rockingham. Happy Thursday, everybody. Hope you're having a wonderful afternoon/evening. It's been looking once again like another nice day today. They're having clouds in sight, but no rain has been in sight, fortunately. So another warm, sunny day today. Can't complain about it too much. It has dropped off by about 1 to 2 degrees today, especially looking at tonight. What we're seeing, where 7 o'clock was at 82 yesterday. Now we're seeing it at 81, and it's going to be at 77 degrees at 9 o'clock. We'll have a sunset at 8:16 p.m. and a full moon will continue to shine bright tonight, although it will be, of course, cloudy just a little bit, so it won't be fully seen at certain parts of the night, but definitely will be out there shining brightly. Look at tomorrow, though, we're still expecting thunderstorm chances around the Sand Hills region. Pretty much the entire area is expecting to see some sort of a pop-up shower, perhaps. It's the looking to be about mid 80s tomorrow as well. High of 86, low of 72 over in Fayetteville. Down in Lumberton, it'll be a high of 87, low of 74. Going back to Hope County, it'll be a high of 86 and a low of 71. Then Moore County will be seeing a high of 86 and a low of 71 as well. Now Richmond County is going to be seeing a high of 87 and a low of 70. Pretty much all parts of the county will be seeing that. Down in Laurinburg, it'll be a high of 86 and a low of 72. Getting down into Bennettsville, it'll be a high of 86 and a low of 72. And then Wadesboro will be seeing a high of 88 and a low of 69. That is the lowest low we have up on the board here, but it's pretty much the highest high. So a little more of a difference there for Wadesboro than the rest of the Sandhills region. But looking at the 7-day forecast, you'll see that it is a 50% chance of showers tomorrow, high of 87, low of 70 for Friday. Looking at Saturday, 50% chance as well. Same temperatures as well. So Friday and Saturday will be looking relatively the same. On Sunday, though, it will be dropping down to a 30% chance of showers with a high of 89 and a low of 72. And then those dreaded 90s are coming back once again on Monday. High of 90, low of 73 with a 50% chance of precipitation. That 50% chance carries over on to Tuesday with a high of 90 and a low of 72. And then getting into Wednesday, it'll be a high of 89 and a low of 72 with 50% chances of showers in the afternoon, but no chance at all in the evening. And then on Thursday, we're seeing a lot of clouds in the area, high of 89, low of 72. So we're looking at potentially some showers early on in the weekend. This kind of dip back down into 30% chances on Sunday, but it goes right back up on the Monday and Tuesday, and should be out of here by by Wednesday evening. So, like I said, a lot of rain coming up, potentially falling. Fortunately, we haven't seen a whole lot of that as we move forward throughout the week. We've been seeing a lot of these chances popping up, but nothing really happens. Of course, the lower chance, the less likely we're going to see it, but we'll be seeing with a coin toss perhaps tomorrow, with it being a 50% chance. I guess you could flip a coin if you could find a coin and flip it and see how it goes. But that's going to do it for your Live at 5 weather report and for tonight's edition of Live at 5. Of course, for the latest news, sports, and events happening in Richmond County, you can always visit richmondobserver.com, or you can download the free RO app for your mobile devices. For the Live at 5 crew, I'm Russell Parker. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good night, Richmond County.